Okay, now today topic is binomial theorem, class 11th, chapter 8 of CBSE, according to CBSE syllabus. Binomial theorem. In early classes, we expand a plus b whole square is equal to, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, or we say a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And if a plus b whole power 19, then this is question mark. So these type of expansion are solved easily by binomial theorem. In binomial theorem, a plus b whole power n, for generalize for any value of n. NCERT, a की power n minus r and b to the power r, where r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 to n. We can say NC0 a की power n plus NC1 a की power n minus 1 b की power 1 plus NC2 a की power n minus 2 b की power 2 dot 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 plus NCn b की power n, where NC0, NC1, NC2, these are called combination formulas. Combinations formulas. NCR is equal to factorial n upon factorial r into factorial n minus r, or in standard form NC0 is equal to NCn is equal to 1 and NC1 is equal to n, and other values can easily solve by NCR is equal to factorial n upon the factorial r into factorial n minus r. For example, in this is 1. For example, put n is equal to 3 and equation number 1. That is a plus b whole power 3 is equal to 3c0 a की power 3 plus 3c1 a की power 2 b की power 1 plus 3c2 a की power 1 b की power 2 plus 3c3 a की power 0 b की power 3, and 3c1 and 3c3, this is equal to 1. So a cube plus and NC1 is equal to R, NCR is equal to NC n minus R, or we say that 3C1 is equal to 3C2, that is equal to 3. So 3C01 a की power cube plus 3C1 3 a square b plus 3 ab square and plus b cube. So a plus b whole power cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the a plus b. Similarly, any type of binomial expansion can easily do by binomial theorem. A plus b whole power n is equal to, that is the general term, NCR a की power n minus r b की power r, where r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and dot 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 n. by giving the value of r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and these expansion become nc0 a की power n plus nc1 a की power n minus 1 b की power 1 plus nc2 a की power n minus 2 b की power 2 dot dot dot, and last term is ncn b की power n. By this theorem we can open any binomial expansion in your given book possible. Okay, now we can solve the question of binomial theorem in chapter 8. For example, expand question number 4. Expand x upon 3 plus 1 upon x whole power 5. X upon 3 plus 1 upon x whole power 5 in NCERT book. A plus b whole power 5. A plus b whole power 5. Put n is equal to 5 in general binomial theorem. First of all, we get 5c0 a की power 5, 5c1 a की power 4 b की power 1, 5c2 a की power 3 b की power 2, 5c3 a की power 2 b की power 3 plus 5c4 ab 4 plus 5c5 b की power 5, 5c5 b की power 5. By help of these combination formulas, we know that 5c0 is equal to 5c5 is equal to 1, 5c1 is equal to 5c4, that is equal to 5, 5c2 is equal to 5c3 is equal to, we can expand like 5 into 4 upon 2 into 1, that is 10. So put these values in a plus b whole power 5. This become 5c0. 5c0 means 1 a की power 5 plus 5 a4b plus 10 a cube b square plus 10 a square b cube plus 5 ab4 and plus b to the power 5. That is the a plus b whole power 5. Now put a is equal to x upon 3 and b is equal to 1 upon x. So x upon 3 plus 1 upon x whole power 5 is equal to a means x upon 3, that is x upon 3 whole power 5 plus 5 x upon 3 whole power 4 and 1 upon x plus 10 x upon 3 whole power 3 1 upon x whole power 2 plus 10 x upon 3 whole square 1 upon x whole cube plus 5 x upon 3 and 1 upon x whole power 4, and last is 1 upon x whole power 5. Simplify, that is x की power 5 upon 3 to the power 5 plus 5 upon 3 की power 4, that is 81 x cube plus x 10 upon 3 की power 3, that is 27 or into x plus, that is 10 upon 9 or into x plus 5 upon 3 into x cube, and last is 1 upon x power 5. That is the answer. Question number 4. Expand x upon 3 plus 1 upon x whole power 5. Firstly, we can expand a plus b whole power 5 by the binomial theorem. NCR binomial theorem is NC0 a की power n plus NC1 a की power n minus 1 b की power 1 plus NC2 and so on so on. Put n is equal to 5 in given expansion, we can expand a plus b whole power 5, and now put a is equal to x upon 3 and b is equal to 1 upon x. Further solve and find the result. Okay, some other questions are also taking. Find the value of 101 whole power 4. Find 101 whole power 4 by using binomial theorem. We can expand like 100 plus 1 whole power 4. Now a plus b whole power 4 is equal to 4c0 a की power 4, 4c1 a की power 3 b की power 1, 4c2 a की power 2 b की power 2 plus 4c3 a b cube plus 4c4 b की power 4. These are coming from a plus b whole power n is equal to NCR a की power n minus r b की power r. Put the value of r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 4. Now put a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 1 and r is equal to, and 4c0 is equal to 4c4, 4c1 is equal to 4c3, this is 1 and this is 3, and 4c2 is equal to 4 into 3 upon 2 into 1 like 6. Put these values in this. 100 plus 1 whole power 4 is equal to 4c0, that is 1, a की power 4, that means 100 power 4, 4c1 that is 4, a cube means 100 power 3 and b is equal to 1 plus 4c2 6, that is 4c2, 4c2 means this, that is 4, 4c2 is 6, 6a square means 100 square into 1 का square plus 400 into 1 का cube plus 1, or we said that 1000, 10,000 plus 4 into इसको इसी फॉर्म में रख लेते हैं, that is 4 into cube plus 6 into 100 plus 4 into 100 plus 1. Expand these terms, become 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because 100 multiplied by 4 times plus 4 into 3 times of this, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6 into 1, 2, 3, 4 and 400 plus 1. Simplify and solve and get the answers. Find the coefficient of f5 in x plus 3 whole power 8. Find coefficient of x की power 5 in x plus 3 whole power 8 by use of binomial theorem. In binomial theorem solution, a plus b whole power n is equal to NCR a की power n minus r b to the power r. For coefficient of x की power 5 means this value n minus r is equal to 5, because x power 5, the coefficient of x power 5, we needed x power 5, so n means 8 minus r is equal to 5, or we say that r is equal to 8 minus 5, this become 3. N is equal to 8 and r is equal to 3, a is equal to x and b is equal to 3. Put in general formulas, NCR a की power n minus r and b to the power r. So NCR means 8CR, r means 3, a means x की power a minus 3 and b means 3 to the power r means 3. 8C3 x की power 5 and 3 की power 3, or we said that coefficient of x की power 5 is equal to 8C3 x 3 की power 3. We can solve 8C3. 8C3 means 8 into 7 into 6 upon 3 into 2 into 1 and 3 to the power 3, that means 27. 3 to the 6, 56 into 27. This is the answer, the coefficient of x power 5. Or we can also send 8C3 3 power 3. Okay. Next question is, suppose middle term. Question number 7. Find the middle term of the expansion 3 minus x cube upon 6 whole power 7. Middle term. Middle term of 3 minus x cube upon 6 whole power 7. Whole power 7. In binomial theorem, the power are odd. The power are odd, then like इस तरीके से आपका फिगर होगा, and when power n is even or n is odd. That means what? If n is even, then single middle term, and n is odd, then two middle terms. In that particular case, n is equal to 7 means odd, so they have single middle term. Power 7. Power 7 means total term of this expansion are 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 7. 7 means odd, so two middle term. This contain fourth and fifth term, both are middle term. For fourth term, r is equal to 3, and for fifth term, r is equal to 4. Because r is equal होता है टर्म माइनस वन, जो भी टर्म हमें निकालनी होती है r की वैल्यू उससे हमेशा 1 कम होती है. तो पुट इन जनरल फॉर्मूलाज, r is equal to 3, तो NCR means 7C3, a means 3 whole power n minus r means 4, b means minus x cube upon 6 whole power r means 3. Solve 7C3 is equal to 7 into 6 into 5 upon 3 into 2 into 1, 3 की power 4 into x की power 9 negative and 6 की power 3. 6 to 6 cancel, and minus 35 upon 2 to the power 3 x to the power 9, or we said it minus 35 upon 8 into x to the power 9. That is the fourth term, and fifth term put r is equal to 4. 7c 4a 3 की power 4b minus x cube upon 6 whole power r means 4. nc n minus r means 3 or r की power n. 7c4 is equal to 7c3. 7c3 is equal to 35. 35 into 7c4 is equal to 35, 3 to the power 6, 3 and 6 to the power 4, and that is x to the power 12 positive. 35 into 6, 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3 into x 12. 3 power 3, 3 बचेगा इधर आपको 35 अपॉन 16 48 48 और into x to the power 12. That is the answer. These are two middle terms of this expansion. Middle term of 3 minus x cube upon 6 whole power 12. That is the odd, or in that odd case, two middle term have. So 4 or 5th term, these both are term are called middle term, and the value of r is equal to term minus 1. So r is equal to this and r is equal to this. Put and solve. Okay. Similarly, all questions are solved. Okay. Now miscellaneous exercise. 1 or 2 or more questions we can solve here by binomial theorem. Miscellaneous exercise page number 175. Evaluate root 3 plus root 2 whole power 6. Whole power 6 minus root 3 minus root 2 whole power 6 minus root 3 minus root 2 whole power 6 by use of binomial theorem. Okay. General term of binomial theorem, a plus b whole power 6 is equal to nc 6c0. N means 6. 6c0 a की power 6 plus 6c1 a की power 5 b की power 1 plus 6c2 a 4b2 plus 6c3 a cube b cube plus 6c4 a square b4 plus 6c5 ab5 and last is 6c6 b to the power 6. B to the power 6. Similarly, a minus b whole power 6. This is 6c0 a to the power 6 plus 6c1 a5b. b is negative, so b, b cube, b5, these values are become negative, and even square are positive. So minus plus 6c2 a4 b square minus 6c3 a cube b cube plus 6c4 a square b4 minus 6c5 a b5 plus 6c6 b6, where odd values of b is become negative and even value of b is positive. Now subtract 1 to 2. That is 1 and that is 2. Subtract 1 minus 2, that is a plus b whole power 6 minus a minus b whole power 6. This becomes minus plus minus plus minus plus and minus. Odd place are cancelled and even place are twice. So twice of 6c1 a5b plus 6c2 a4b square plus 6c4 a square b4. Odd place 6c1, ये बचेगा 6c1 के बाद 6c3, 6c1 के बाद 6c3 a क्यूब b क्यूब एंड 6c5, ये बचेगा 6c5 a b 5. Other values are cancelled. This becomes 2 6c1, that is 6 a5b 6c3 is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 upon 3 into 2 into 1 620. Same 6c5, that is 6c1 6c5 is equal to 6c1, that is equal to 6. So 6c3, that is 20 a cube b square plus 6 ab 5. Now put value of put a is equal to root 3 and b is equal to root 2. A is equal to root 3 and b is equal to root 2. This become 2 6 a5. a5 means root 3 का whole square, root 3 power 5 into root 2 plus 20 root 3 power 3 root 2 power 2 plus 6 root 3 into root 2 power 5 3. Further solve 2 6. This become 9 root 3 into root 2 plus 20. This is 3 root 3 into root 2 into 2 plus 6 root 3 into 4 root 2. 4 root. This become 2 root 6 and root 6. Taking common root 6. This is 54 plus 120 and plus 24. This is 2 root 6 8 2 root 6 into 198, or we say that 396 root 6, that is the final answer. Okay, so similarly do other questions. If any doubt, call me 9871638108 or contact my YouTube channel. Thank you.